The ingredients how to make slime is glue. Wait a minute. The ingredient you need is glue, lotion, glue, lotion, and a liquid detergent or Tide liquid detergent or Downy liquid detergent. And the last one is food coloring. And I choose food coloring. Let's roll.